Jaja, jaja, Now welcome to the late night show.
Monday.
Yes, so yes. Monday. Another hustle begin. Another hustle begin. The September don't finish.
Just like that.
Play like joke.
By Tuesday next week or Wednesday next week.
It don't finish.
October.
Don't the near body. Boom. But ladies and gentlemen, very, very importantly, we'd always like to ask, which you don't take the whole month to do. We still get some more days inside September.
Yeah.
You feel still do plenty things with the remaining days with the first September. Because after September, October follow for back. November, then we go close on that page again for another year. So please, ladies and gentlemen, make sure say you use your time well. Very, very importantly. All right. As usual, I'll be your boy, your Bolo. And of course, on the whisk of steam, my guy, my G, DJ Easy Way. All right. Wetin do your introduction today? On the whisk of steam. Okay, now your personal decision not to play today. Okay.
If you know why. If you know it's here.
Wait.
Don't worry.
This kind of laugh when you do.
Let me just, I'll tell you later.
Okay. All right, so today, as usual, Ginger Monday. The Monday we could just tell you some kind of things, very, very important things we will help you to ginger your life in a very, very good way. We feel laugh, we feel play, we feel craze, but very, very importantly, we must also pass brain. Give una for house. That be the most important thing. Okay, so as it be, the show don't start for today. Pose 101. Still congratulations to Sheyi for last Friday where you win. But people like the dressing,
For you, Abi.
My trado. You know how they tie up very, very often now.
Star boy.
I you feel the form say. Even my Malaysian they say what? He say, hey.
That's my song.
Say now you come. Now you day.
Bring it back home.
We bring it back home. All right. So. Pose 101 now.
Oh, yeah.
Back down. So easy.
Huh?
We'll do my B.
Yeah, just stay where you day.
Make I do it from here.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So quickly. Easy. Pose 101. Right about now. Okay. We died there. All right. So the sun don't start, not go anywhere. Easy, be careful, come out. They come. Easy. See your they go no. All right, so Cocoa of the day. Finishly. Make I yarn you the cocoa. Make I yarn the cocoa. If I tell them the cocoa, I say make I yarn the cocoa. If I tell them the cocoa, make I yarn the cocoa. Coco number 1. Heroic girl. This one now, when I say heroic girl, I mean say the girl be like savior, he save somebody. Now, what's her name again? Deje Bruvois.
So one of these days, when I the name or not the night father they pronounce it like that, they will just come pick you up.
I dey fear for my own self because this one now Obodo Ibo gist actually because DG Brewer. Now DE space J-E. What's it be that one?
D-E
Space
J-E.
J-E.
Okay, D-E space O-O.
DJ, 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 DJ. Now you G's. Anyway, you know this thing they call drive-by shooting.
Okay.
Where people go stay for outside from nowhere, motor go just pass, carry gun, they shoot people for outside.
Yeah.
It can't happen for near their own place for there. But wetin make this girl story come sweet people? We say her small nephew, they play around the corner. As those people just carry gun, they pass. The girl now, see am 14 years old, now she be. 14 years old. Now she just use her body cover the nephew. Ha! The only bullet they will touch him for hand, and one pass him back. He nearly touch her lungs. Now small thing. 90 for puncture her lungs. But she not die.
But he enter her body.
He enter her body. Plus this one where they should just now wait there for her hand. You understand? So people when they say, hailings. On a good day, the first thing people they do for this side of the world, when people go first take off before you can remember say, now mothers always remember their children. Not be under
some mothers remember.
Some mothers go take off. Now say, where this one? He dey outside. Go outside the hair. So, but this one, she just use her body cover her nephew. Bullet can't touch her. Pooh. So now she be savior for the whole place. You understand? Very, very heroic. Very, very heroic. All right, so we need more heroes for this world. More heroes for this world. All right, so Coco number 2.
I'm in love with the Coco.
Okay, for inside South Africa, 58-year-old Spanish man who they arrest for SA, ask me why.
Why?
They open this man fridge. Now they see 21 pieces of female sexual organ. 21 pieces of 21 pieces of female sexual organ.
Technically 31 human being with that.
Now we say 21 human beings done. 21.
Yeah.
You know what it be? And what you catch me for this story be say, okay, like the right time for here, we are not sure how many victims. Okay. We say that the guys tore him inside plastic bag for inside freezer. Police also discover anesthetics and other surgical implements for the house of the father of 2.
Oh, he get 2 children.
Meaning say get 2 children. Now father of 2. Inside a fridge for house. Now he keep these things them.
For waiting they take him do?
Now be the investigation they investigate now. So now they don't carry gist come and say every woman way one way or the other. If you say they don't assault you, maybe
fine, okay.
You understand? Maybe the ones that will not die or something. Maybe they don't cut your bobby come out. Because I'm not sure if they cut the one we did for dying, go still survive.
I don't know.
I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't know.
You know, say, when they talk saying
sexual organ.
So maybe now Rishi now the guy they do one.
Well, anyway, what did catch me for a year? Aside from the organs, now father of 2.
Father of 2. This is the uncle.
Now me say, you feel your day for house with person, you no go know what they do. If your day, your person just go outside, they come back, they go outside, they come
carry
back.
Bag,
you just a carry bag, you know.
They can't feed themselves.
Now, maybe now even they cut say they put for stew. You can never tell. You understand? You go see person picking you just grow up one day, just like they bite human being. You know, say he don't start from somewhere. Where papa they always give him pofto meat they chop. You understand? So just know your next neighbor very well.
Very, very well.
If they watch now, your neighbor wait there for your compound. Know them very well.
It's very, very
You never
important.
can tell. You remember that time why we fed it for UI one time, my roommate, I don't know. Say this boy, he belong to things. One night I just think I just hear say people they move people phones. After we phone serious they come out. So I know they always steal people phone. I don't know say my roommate, they go now be the ring leader of the armed robbers for the full school. One night I was read inside room. Next thing this boy just enter, just throw something on that bed, come out. I can't say make I go check. As I open the bed, now I see battle ass. I do now I say lock up. He not reach the next day. As they inside that room again, they read. Now you're yesterday. They don't catch the chief when they move on the phone for the whole school. As I come outside, I say make we go look. Lo and behold, as I look where they don't beat, you know, students, they don't beat all the eye, blood full everywhere for his face.
Sponge.
As I can't use, I want to locate his face. Say, not be my roommate that they see like this. Before I pick count 10, students on the shout, "May we go their room!" Now for the room, he get one that roommate. My brother, if you see race, where I run, I don't see that room again. I move go another hostel because of one neighbor we are not know wetin they do, and ignorance now can't make me not go find out early. You understand? So please, if they watch like this, make sure say you know wetin your next man they do. I beg, be very, very careful. Coco number 3.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
Now, Helen Paul, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, my personal friend and a very, very industrious girl. Now, girl with the hustle. They know I'm a tatafo for radio, but now still Helen Paul too. She first started with her MCing for Inside Unilag.
Yeah.
Later, she can't come and do one baby voice like this. Now, she be mother of 3. So she's going to relate how she and her husband take meet. Say they ask her how they meet, how want. You know, she say, "Nah, donut to and drink." Now carry talk, they come together. See her. She first gets some very, very bad dentals, but somewhere along the line, based on say money can't touch hand, she can't arrange the whole thing. Say the husband now lawyer. In the always come where she and her guy they stay. That's how their office.
Yeah.
By the time he come, of all your girlfriends the way they come, those one they buy food or carry money can't give them. Now this one they always know they try, not they drop. So she first know I'm a stingy man. That stingy lawyer where they always come, you know they drop anything. You can just walk out, come on, they tell them bye bye. So now one day she just provoke go meet them.
Bros, you know they try you. At least they try drop something for us.
No tell our guy, but they try drop something for us. Move all day all right. If not donut you see, they buy. If not drink you see, they buy. He say now from there the man comes say, "Hey, this girl." He say the man when they look her, I say she too they jump up and down. She too talk, she too bare. Meanwhile she they see the guy, you are too selfish. You know they try. Today, now they be the husband and wife and parents of 3 children. Helen Paul, like correct girl. She knows that girl, she want build school. She don't even build school self.
Wow.
She don't get school where they do arts and all those things. You know? Very industrious somebody. You know, comedians these days, no, we are not just funny. You know, we are very, very industrious. You understand that? Deep things, businessmen and women. Ladies and gentlemen, at this point in time, I'll come on my side cocoa of the day. Any contribution you get at all, whether I consign the girl, we go save person, you go feel save your family member like that, you go feel drop body down. It bullets the show to save somebody. I've been consigning the man who they see with 21 pieces of female sexual organ for inside the fridge. Or Helen Paul gist just give us on top Twitter, yarn your own at W Late Night Show, and then we go relate. Okay, so quickly, our guests will come in after this break. Will they come back now? If you're not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.